Hi, you guys. Okay, so today I am showing how to put together the Shopify theme or Shopify store. Okay, and to set up your store, how to put together your theme. So here I have my Shopify store pulled up. I've already started working on it. Here I've added my announcement bar. You can click on that. You can change your announcement bar by going to the header and clicking on this announcement bar here, and then you can just type in add the sections or add the text that you want to add to your announcement bar and just put that in. This is going to be my store, Beauty Boost. This store will, it is available now, but I actually lost all the data on my computer that it was on, and it just completely, I lost all of the site, my themes, all my products for all of my stores from that was logged onto that computer. So here I'm having to make and recreate everything all over again. Okay, so I went ahead and added my banner. You want to, if you want to have your announcement bar there at the top, like I said, you can just add that by going to announcement bar, and then my header here. You can actually allow the header to stick so that it continues to, whenever somebody is viewing your store, whether they scroll up or down, it'll still stay to the top of the menu, okay, or the top of the page. So I basically did that by clicking on my header, and then you can sticky header, okay, so that you click always for you to be able to scroll this header here, this part that's highlighted. It says header, so this part that's highlighted, that usually shows your menu, okay, whatever is in your menu, they'll be able to see that drop down screen on that. And then I have my deep waves, kinky waves, curly units, and then also my store logo here, okay. Then so you can have that on or then none, okay. And what that looks like is on scroll, it'll just scroll up, you can see, but I like for mine to stay on, so we're gonna click that. Okay, and then we have our banner here. I went ahead and created this banner. I will show you how you can just kind of get creative. If you're not that creative, then we do have a few themes here that we that you can purchase. So you can actually purchase this theme for your store, and you can replace the pictures, you can replace the font, put the name of your store, change the font in here, put pictures, change these pictures, change the font and the color as well. So this theme will also be available for sale, okay, on my coaching store, and I will have the link in the description for that as well. So here is the second banner, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on this because I just loaded this in, and I want to remove this square here. So each image banner, you will have to remove what is called a container, which will basically be like a little a square that will hold the buttons and any text or titles that you want to put for that particular section over your image. But here we don't want to do that. We just want to show the image of the banner. So that's how we basically remove that. And then you want to be sure that the overlay for this is set to 0 so that it can be as visible as possible for your audience. So, and it looks like that is already set to 0. So we're going to keep going. This one, I want to have a fixed background. So even on scroll, they can actually see this background. Okay, or it kind of falls back in the background. It's a really nice feature. I really love it. Okay, so let me see here. And actually, we might have to take that feature off because we already have a sticky header, and so it might just get in the way of that. So we're gonna click none. And then if you also want to give like a little bit of movement on your store, you could just have your background, just depending on what type of background you have, you can have it to ambient movement. Okay, a little bit of movement on your screen if you don't have like a video or anything that's on your screen, but I'll show how to add a video and everything like that on to your Shopify store a little bit later as well. Here we're not gonna have any of those features. Okay, so sorry about that. We're not going to have any of those features, so let's just go ahead and save this. Anytime. I'm not going to do the fixed background here just because we got the sticky header. So, and I want to be able to, my customers to be able to see this full banner. So we're going to change that to none, so that they can scroll and actually see the full banner. Okay, then we're going to add, so here I just kind of want to add another banner for showing the different textures of the hair, the deep wave, the curly, and the deep wave, the curly, and the kinky textures. So I'm going to make a banner for that, and I'll just show how to do something quick and simple. Okay, so we are back on Canva here. Okay, so you see that we have tag us here. So I've actually put the words in like a cursive here, and we're just gonna blow it up, and then we're gonna put it to the back. So you want to do a position, okay, and then we're gonna put it backwards. Then we're going to put it backwards, make sure that it's behind the words tag us. Okay, and then you also want it behind the photo. Okay, this photo here. So to make this one a little bit less transparent, let's do that. Okay, so we have Canva here. Okay, so I took the words tag us, and we actually have that in like a cursive called Symphony. Okay, is the font, and we put it in the background here. And I'm just trying to position it so it's like in the background. Maybe we just need to do it like this. Okay, so it's not so much on the image. Let's see if we can actually do it like this. Okay. Tag us like that. Okay, so it's kind of like in the background. Okay, so then we're gonna put our Instagram name here for Beauty Boost, and that's gonna be, I'm just gonna add another text here, another text box by clicking on text, scrolling up, and then we'll be able to add, let's delete one of these here. And we'll just do Instagram. Beauty Boost. Okay, is the Instagram, is our name on Instagram? Okay. Let's see if we can't change this font. Okay. See if we can't change this font here. Might just have to leave it like that. Let's make it white, actually. Okay. So there you go. Okay, and that's going to be our tag us banner. So then we're going to save this banner here. And this is the 16th page, so we're going to do it like that.